Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about this air volume booster. Okay, so now I will show you. This is our positioner, okay, pneumatic positioner. So now that is our output of the positioner. That will be the signal to the air volume booster. This one now air supply. Okay, our air supply there. So this is our input. So whatever input, we will get an output going to our valves. Okay, so this is how this air volume booster works. Okay, hello guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.